Hello students of 8th class. Today we will do the exercise of the world renowned nose. And these are the question answers as you have written in the comment box. So I will do the question answers for you. Question number 1 is V.M. Bashir starts the story saying that it's a startling piece of the news. It's a startling piece of the news. तो इसमें what's the startling piece? इससे मुराद है कि shocking news जो उसने इस lesson में है. What was that idea? The startling piece of the news was that the poor cook nose began to grow. At the age of 24, it grows faster and it passed its chin and reached so long to the navel. The next question is, describe in brief the life of the poor cook before his nose rose. Before his nose rose, he was a useless person. He was dull and just ate and spent his life. He doesn't know what's happening outside. The next question is, what was the amazing thing that happened with the protagonist of the story once he reached 24 years of age? तो ये दोबारा एक repetition of question है, वही बात दोबारा पूछी गई है. What happened to the protagonist? At the age of 24, his nose became so long and he was illiterate and the foolish person. It was really amazing and he became so popular. Okay, next question. Why was the cook dismissed from the service? The people of the house lost the peace and harmony. All the time they have to face the photographers and the news reporter. As a result, he was dismissed from his job. Next question. What were the people who came to visit Cook interested in? People from the distant places came to see his nose, and the reporters and photographers took his pictures, and they do not think about his personal life and his job. They only want to make news. Question number 6. How do the boy and his mother became rich? What are the consequences of this? तो किस तरह से अमीर बने and what was the reason behind this? Fed up with the people's curiosity about the long nose, he said to his mom to shut the door, but they bribed his mother to see him. उन्होंने उसको भी धोखा दिया कि हम उसको देखना चाहते हैं. He acted in 6 films and he became the popular and became millionaire later on. The question number 7. What conspiracies were hatched to capture the long nose and how were they solved? किस किस्म की कॉन्स्पिरेसीज थी, किस किस्म की जो उसके पीछे साजिशें थी वो चल रही थी. सो फर्स्ट द गवर्नमेंट ट्राइड टू एक्सप्लॉइट him and the other parties also came forward and asking the comrade long nose one to give a voice to the people struggle. And the 8th question, what were the incident which led to the comrade long nose arrest? And rumors were spread that he joined a party, but the secretary gives argument it was no real and they claimed it was made of rubber. Question number 9. What was a medical checkup of the comrade long nose ordered? Anti-long nose parties asked the president to order inquiry. Because of the political pressure, medical checkup was ordered. Question number 10. Describe the political controversies. तो किस किस्म की वो साजिशें या बातचीत जो थी उसके पीछे चल रही थी. It created the great political upheaval. All political parties tried to capture the long nose and the secretary they give a statement that the nose was made of rubber. So this was all about the question answers. Students, I have done the 10 questions for you. So do it at home and study. Take care. Bye bye.